Welcome to La Siesta, Torrevieja, a vibrant new residential development perfectly positioned between the sparkling beaches of the Costa Blanca and the natural salt lagoons of La Mata. Here, modern Mediterranean living meets resort-style comfort with a collection of stylish two-bedroom, two-bathroom apartments priced from €274,000 to €295,000. Each home features open-plan living, spacious terraces, high-quality finishes, and private or communal pools. Set across 7 elegant, low-rise blocks, this gated community offers exceptional facilities, including landscaped gardens, swimming pools, a children's play area, barbecue zone, paddle court, and petanque area. Everything you need for leisure and relaxation. You'll be just 3.5 kilometers from the beaches of Torrevieja, close to shopping, dining, golf, and only 35 minutes from Alicante Airport. Every apartment comes with underground parking, a private storage room, and energy-efficient features such as aerothermal water systems and ducted air conditioning. As a special launch offer, early buyers receive a complete furniture and lighting package, making your new home move-in ready. And with Welcome Estate's exclusive 1% cashback offer, your dream property becomes an even smarter investment. Explore the full range of options available. See the link in the description below and start your new life in sunny Torrevieja today. Contact us today to arrange your private viewing. Welcome Estates, turning your dream home into a smart investment.